Let's consider one more interesting question related to loops and conditionals. So let's get started. What is the output of the following C program fragment? This is the C program fragment. You need to find out the output of this particular program fragment. Is it option A, x equals to 4? Is it option B, x equals to 2? Is it option C, compiler error? Or is it D, x equals to 0? I would encourage you to please pause the video for a while and try to answer this question on your own. You might have answered this question, so let's move on to the solution. As you can see, inside this main function, I have declared one variable x and I have assigned it a value 3. After that, we have an if construct, and inside this if construct, we are checking this condition: is x equals to 2 or not. As x is not equals to 2, therefore we come out of this if construct and then we come to this if construct. And inside this if construct, we are checking is x equals to 3 or not. As x is equals to 3, therefore x will get incremented, right? 3 now becomes 4 and we simply print x equals to 4. Therefore, the output would be x equals to 4. If you're thinking like that, then you're wrong. X is not equals to 4. Let's see why. What point we are missing in this particular question? Here you can see after this if construct, you're having one semicolon, right? We need to observe this semicolon very carefully. If we missed this semicolon, then definitely the output produced would be wrong. Now, as you can see, we check this condition: is x equals to 2 or not. As x is not equals to 2, therefore we come out of this if construct. But let me tell you, my dear friends, x equals to 0 is not part of this if construct. Definitely we come out of this if construct, but immediately after that we encountered x equals to 0 and not this particular if construct. That is what we need to note. We might think of x equals to 0 as part of this if construct, therefore we might forget to actually execute this statement. And then the output produced would be wrong. As we come out of this if construct, after that we find x equals to 0, therefore now the value of x is 0 and not 3. After that we simply check this condition: is x equals to 3 or not. As x is not equals to 3, right now the value of x is 0, not 3. Therefore, this condition also failed and we come out of this if construct and come to this else part. Here we simply increment the value of x by 2. Now, what x would contain is 2. Therefore, we simply print the value 2 on the screen. So, what exactly will be printed on the screen? X equals to 2. Therefore, the final output is x equals to 2. That is option B.